will do coding after understanding what we have to do first. React first step without CDN. Previously we have written our first step with CDN. Now we will write without CDN. Go ahead and delete all the files out of the source directory except index.css and index.js, which we will do. Now in index.js we are importing React DOM and CSS file. At last write class with render and return previously like just previously written in the HTML file, just same do in this index.js file. Okay, so here we are deleting everything from source folder except index.css and index.js. So app.css, just delete it. Delete everything except index.js and index.css as we have seen before. Okay, now we have deleted all the files except index.js and index.css in the source folder. Why we have deleted it? Because we are making here a new project. Now open index.js here. Here React DOM and index.css is already imported. We don't need this app and service worker. Okay, so just remove it. And we also don't need this. So I'm removing this. React.strict mode. Okay, now just type here what class app extends component. Now type render because we have to render this. Render means display, and return. Make a div here, and in div just type here in h1 tag what hello React. Just name this div as a class name. In HTML we have only class, but here we have class and then a name. Name should be in capital letter. This all is in camel case. You will learn camel skills in later of this video. App. Why we have given here a class name app? We have given here a class name app because below we have rendering this app in the document.getElement by id as root. Where this is root? The root is present. This root is present in HTML file, which is present in public of index.html. So we are just getting that data in here in this HTML. Okay, we have one error here, service worker is not defined. So come here and just cut this. We have one more error, that is component is not defined. Why the error is coming? Because we have component in capital letter here. We have to write this in small letter. So write this in small letter and the error will go on. This type of thing could be in Django, but here this is not the thing. Component will be always in this capital letter. You have to just import here a component separately. So to import the component, just import React, and in curly braces you have to import this component. So just type here component. Now after importing it, just save it. Now it is compiled successfully. Okay, now just copy it, the link, and open it in Chrome. So we are pasting our link here. Okay, then enter. You will see here hello React. But here one thing I want to say you, that in previously we have already started the npm server by npm start. That's why this server is running. If your server is not started, then type npm start. Okay, thank you.